Welcome to another video with Shark Bites. Today we're making sweet and sour sauce for my meatballs. I'm making a big batch for 20 people. First, we're gonna cut this green pepper, and you wanna cut a decent amount, like that much off. Now, once you've got it cut, you're gonna wanna grab it and pull it out. Okay, this is how to pull it. You're gonna wanna grab it here. See all those seeds? You don't want any one of them. So you're gonna wanna scoop the ones that are already in there, because some might fall. Okay, now you're gonna dice the green pepper into small pieces. Now that you've got your pepper nice and cut up, you're gonna wanna get a big pot and put it all in, every single piece. Now you're gonna want some brown sugar, last step is to strain the pineapple. So you're gonna plop it in there. Whoops. Oh, this ain't a part of the recipe. So just plop it all in there. Okay, let all the juice out. And now you're gonna put the rest of the pineapple in the bowl for later. And now you're gonna just stir this up. And just remember, I am making a big batch for 20 people. You're gonna wanna heat this on medium till it's thick. Okay, so I'm currently on vacation, but we're gonna finish making dinner here. So first, you're gonna wanna put all your sauce that has been mixed there, and we're gonna wanna heat it up. While this is cooking, we're gonna have the meatballs warming up in the oven. So, while you're waiting for those to heat up, we're gonna cut up this zucchini. Remember, make sure you have an adult watch. So, once you're done cutting, you're gonna put the zucchini in a pot. This is the finished product. Thanks for watching. See you next time.